Good afternoon, everyone. Today I will be telling you that how you can schedule a meeting for Gmeet. So for that, for scheduling a meeting, you have to install a Google Calendar because a Gmeet can be scheduled in a Google Calendar only. So for that, you must have a Google Calendar installed on your device. If you are not having Google Calendar, so you just go to this Play Store and install a Google Calendar from here. Google Calendar from here, just click on this. You will get two tabs. Install. I'm not getting it because it is already installed on my mobile, and like this you just install on your device and get started with it. Now I will be going to the Google Calendar. This is an icon of a Google Calendar. I will tap on this, and now it is showing me Wednesday 20. I can change this view by here by clicking on these three lines. I can change the view. Schedule means it will give me the entire month schedule like this. For 20, 21, 22, you can see that those dates which are important, it is marking that in green, that some holiday is there and everything like that. If I want to view for a day only, I can click on this. Okay, and if I want to view for 3 days, then it will come like this in a tabular form. So I will view for a day. This is Wednesday 20 and I want to schedule a meeting. I have scheduled a meeting prior also. I will just edit this meeting only. Like this you will be creating, or I will be showing you. I will be just deleting this meeting first. I will show you how to create a new meet. Like I want to create a meeting in between this time frame 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. So I will just tap on this. Here comes add title 4:30 to 5:30 p.m. because wherever I will tap, it will give me that time frame. It is like that graph in the dotted line, so it is taking like that. So I will just pull up this and I will add a title first. G Suite meeting, and then it is asking me for the time. It is 4:10 now, and I will schedule my meeting at 4 only 4 because I want to show you 4 say 20 or okay, let's say 4:18. Okay, and then add people. You can add the people. Though if there are a fixed number of people, those who want to attend the meeting, if you want those only to attend the meeting, then you can send an email through this. You can add an email ID and it will give mail to them that this meeting has been scheduled on this date and at this time. So I'm not adding the peoples. And then add video conferencing. This is important. You just tap on this and it will show the link of a Google Meet, and the link the Google Meet code will be generated from here. And then add location, that where I'm going to conduct the meeting. I will just give New Delhi. Okay, this is just giving the picture of a New Delhi. And then add notification, then that you want notification before. So I will just add 5 minutes before. I want it to be I want Google Calendar to notify me before 5 minutes, and it is giving me an option of as a notification or as an email. So I will say as a notification. If you say as an email, that an email will come in your Dropbox. So just I will say done, and then default color is this. You can add, and then you can add a description. Then what is the content of the meeting. You can say G Suite setup, G Suite tools, I will say. Okay, and then you can add an attachment. In this attachment you can add any of the forms. Means you can add any feedback form which the person had to fill after the meeting. So you can add any attachment from your drive. That attachment should be in your drive. It will take from the drive, and you just save an attachment on a drive and copy the link over here, or just give the path here. So I have filled up this form and I will click on now save. So this is my meeting has been set up and it is 4:13 and I have scheduled the meeting for 4:18. So I think it is 5 minutes, and when I will see in my notification window, because I have mute the sound of my notifications. When the notifications come, I have made the settings that I don't want any sound, so it hasn't made any sound. But you can see here, when I pull my notification window, it is showing me G Suite meetings 4:18 to 5:18 p.m. like this it will notify. And one thing more, you just go to the Google Calendar, open this, and from here you are seeing this share icon. From here you can share it on the WhatsApp. You will share this in Google Meet. You just share it on the WhatsApp, copy to clipboard, and you can send it to anyone who wants to join this meet. You can see that I have turned on it, G Suite meeting 4:18 p.m. New Delhi. It has given me the notification here. And now I will show you the Google Meet as well. So it is giving me that G Suite meeting 4:18 to 5:18 p.m. New Delhi, India, and you have to join this meeting. So that's all for a Google Calendar. So these are the options, and one thing more is there, that it will give me all the email IDs from where I want to schedule the meeting, and it is possible for me to copy those meetings from one ID to other ID. That I don't think so we need that, so I'm not discussing on that. So these are the options for scheduling a simple meeting. You just schedule it here and share it on the WhatsApp, give the information, and then start with the meeting. Thank you.